In our previous class, we have done some basic practice for visualization of a heat map plot, PCA plot, and so on. Today, we will learn another skill, use of website, R, and AI. For example, if you see a plot in website, for example, chord diagram in R. And Dr. Sahel, you are on mute. If you scroll down this website, I am sending this link within Zoom chat. Please all participants open this website and scroll down. Here is the chord diagram. For example, you need a similar plot on your own dataset. You want to draw plot like this, or like this, and there is also yes, like this. On ficus dataset, you can follow the instruction on this website. When you want to perform any analysis, first we need to arrange our dataset. So first check dataset. Please all participant open this website and type done within Zoom chat so that I can move to next step. All participant open this website. I have shared a link in Zoom chat. Open this website and scroll down and open this table in this website. This chord diagram is on this dataset. Dataset name is biosynthetic gene cluster. But our dataset is on ficus. If you notice, this dataset arrangement is same as ficus dataset. If you check ficus dataset, species column is at the end, but in this website, strain column is at the start. About 99% arrangement is same. But there is another point in strain. You can check KRD012, 22, 26, 70. It's mean these are mean values. These are mean values. But in our ficus file, S1 have 15 values, S2 have 15 values, S3 have 15 values. So these are not mean values, these are replicated value. So first we need to arrange our data set like this. We need to calculate mean or average. Then we will be able to perform this analysis. So please, all participant, click on new script or open new script. Take str ficus and run. str ficus. Copy. Open ChatGPT. Paste here and write a message. Now we want to calculate mean. So write a message. I want to calculate mean. I want to calculate mean grouped by species. And send message. To calculate the mean of all numeric variables grouped by species in your ficus table, you can use the deep layer package. Here is a simple and clear way to do it. R code. Library, ficus, grouped by summaries, printout. So here is the simple script to calculate mean grouped by species. Copy, open script, paste here and run. Yes. Now you can check in screen number 3, a new file generated named ficus summary. If you click on it, this is the same file as in this website. Each group have one reading, one replicate or mean group or mean value. S1, S2, S3. Now our data set is same as in website data. Please all participant type done. Okay. Bigo, can you share your screen? I have allowed you. Please share your screen. Please share again. Show me ChatGPT. You can calculate the mean of each numeric column grouped by species in R using deep layer package. Okay, scroll down. Okay, click on copy. Open R. Okay, do library, deep layer. Next. Yes. No, you get a analysis, but a file not appeared in screen number 3. The reason is that in ChatGPT, if you check line number 15, there is no coding. There is no any coding. So you need to add code. So before ficus add less than minus, and give name ficus mean or ficus summary, any one you can give. Ficus underscore summary. Okay, run this line. Yes, no, you get a summary in screen number 3. If you click on summary, ficus summary, not on this button, center at the center of this line, on ficus summary button. Yes, it will show you data in screen number 1. Okay, next, Noshin, please share your screen. Okay, thank you. Okay, next step. Now we have a summary file. Now we want to do work on summary file, summary data. So give a line with hashtag. Now take str ficus summary because we want to work on this file. It's mean data. Now here is the mean data. Copy, open ChatGPT again and paste here. No, come to after paste and open website. No, read instruction from this website. It is saying no, everything is ready to start creating chord diagram in R. First, let to install and load the circlize package. So for chord diagram, we need a circlize package. So here is the code for circlize package, installation and library. Next step is then we need to read the files into R by following the command below. We already have file in R, so we don't need to run this command. We already have ficus summary file in R, so we don't need to run this command. Okay, next is convert the data table to matrix and then visualize. Very simple script for this visualization. No, there are two things. There are two methods. One, you can edit manually by himself. For example, copy this code, run in R, just replace data with ficus file and run. It will give you the chord diagram. But if script is lengthy and you feel there may be a chance of mistake, you can edit this from ChatGPT. So for this, copy this complete sentence. Now everything is ready. Right click, copy, click on copy button, open ChatGPT and paste here, and write a line at the start. I want to create, I want to perform this analysis in R on below given str. Please write a message. I want to perform this analysis in R on below given str and send a message to ChatGPT. Now we have provided two things to ChatGPT. One is sample script and second is our data structure. Now ChatGPT will edit this script which we take from website according to our data structure. So step 1, step by step our code for chord diagram from ficus summary. So here is the script. Copy, open R, paste here and run it one by one. Yes, here is the chord diagram. Right click, copy image, open WhatsApp group and share. Please all participant. If any participant facing okay, I am sending the URL. I already have shared in group. No again sharing. Okay, please do. I am waiting for your reply. Please all participant type done so that I can move to next step. Okay, now I am waiting for your reply. Yes, Muhammad Ashraful Amin, please you can share your screen. Okay, take str of summary, copy this str, copy, copy, open ChatGPT and paste here and remove I want to do. Please remove I want to do. Before str add comma, add full stop. Before str add full stop. Okay, no open website. Yes, copy from no everything is ready and move to downward. Before plot, please move downward. Stop, stop. Yes, preference, till preference. Okay, copy. Open ChatGPT and paste here. And write a message at start. Please come on start. It is not a start, it is a center. Come on start, yes. Write a message. I want to perform. I want to perform. I want to perform this analysis in R on below given str. In R on below given str. Okay. It look like you want to first you must read first line. It look like you want to create a chord diagram in R using the circlize package and have your data set ready. Below is a structured approach to achieving this. No, ChatGPT have given you in steps. So write a message to ChatGPT. Write a message to ChatGPT. I need all code in single script. I need all coding in single script. No, open ChatGPT. Yes. Okay. Run copy circle. Run library. Okay. First line number 477. Install. Okay. Next step. Please wait. Next step is read the CSV file. ChatGPT have given you a editable code. You need to change your code or script. You need to editing. Open ChatGPT and check this code. Scroll up. Yes, it is showing you use instead of. So here you need to editing, but you don't want to edit. You want to perform editing on ChatGPT. So again, copy str. Take str. Copy str below. Include summary. Copy. Again, open ChatGPT and paste and write a message and send this message. Just send it. It looks like you have summarized dataset called ficus using deep learning package in R, grouping by species and calculating the mean of numeric columns. If you want to create a chord diagram from this summary, you will need to reshape the data into the matrix format. No, scroll down. No, you have accurate code. Okay. Now copy, give a line with hashtag, paste. Now come on first line. Below is the first line. Yes. Don't run circlize package, please. You already have this. No, you need to do library. So first run line number 511. Okay, next. Again click on run button. Next, 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 next. Yes, next, next. Okay, you are getting some errors. Next. Okay, now click on file button. Screen number 4. There is no any file. Okay, there are some issues in your some file, extra files. So you don't need to run extra. Just run again previous scripts from start. Yes, from this. Yes, okay. Now copy and share in group. Okay, Muzaffir, please let me know, have you done or not? If not, please share your screen. Okay, please share your screen. Yes. Now ChatGPT have given you an example dataset in line number 25. This is not your accurate dataset. It is an example dataset. So before working on your dataset, you also need to notice, you also need to read each and every line. Maybe ChatGPT have given you a sample dataset. So take str again, copy, and your four screen size should be equal. No, just please first equalize all screen size. Move up screen number two. Screen number two. Move up screen number two. No, okay. Copy. Open ChatGPT. Please show me ChatGPT. You have only shared single screen. Please share ChatGPT screen. You have shared only our screen. Yes. And paste here. Okay, and send message. Thanks for providing the structure of your ficus summary dataset based on the structure you provided. Please first read instruction carefully and then move to your analysis. So here are you can proceed. Ensure that the data is reshaped into matrix where the rows represent the species and the columns represent the measurements. Use the correct structure so that the values represent relationship between these entities. So here are the step-by-step solution. Okay, now copy the script. Again, ChatGPT have given you a sample example data. No, again copy and open R. Show me R. No, here you need to some editing because we already have file name ficus summary. So we remove line number from 61 to 68. So we don't need to run this line because we already have data set in R. So remove these lines from line number 68 to not 67, from 68. Yes, remove and no, do library 58, circlize and R color braver. No, please run 58 and also remove L from 61. Please remove L from 61. Yes, remove. Okay, no, next line. Next. Next. Yes. Now again come to ChatGPT. There may be another code or second part of this code. Copy this code and paste in line number 71. It's showing that error in if missing values were true or false needed. Remove all extra things. Please remove from after matrix. After matrix, remove all things. Remove. Yes, also remove this bracket. Yes. Also remove comma. Okay, now run this line again. Yes, now it's working. Because color scheme is not working here based on our data set. That's why you was facing errors. Okay, copy and share in group. Okay, any other participant, if you have issue, please let me know. If you have done, type done so that I can move to next step. Okay, now next step is again open website and scroll down. Now we have done this plot, but if you have a large data set, you may face overlapping issue. For example, here is overlap like type and unreadable sentence, unreadable word, unreadable name. Also, some variables names are unreadable. If you have multiple variables or more variables, you may face overlapping issue. Now, how we resolve overlapping issue? So if you read more on this website, showing you since we have many columns and rows, the labels are on the top of each other's. It's mean top of each other means overlapping. To solve this, we need to plot the chord diagram without label and axis and then adding them separately as shown in the command below. Now we need to apply all these codes in our dataset. Now copy from this since we have copy and till this line readable label. Copy, open ChatGPT and say thanks. Now I want to apply this and paste here and send message. Perfect. It's showing you since you are since your data since your data has multiple rows and columns which can cause label overlap in the chord diagram. You are absolutely right to apply a cleaner layout using the circlize method with the pre-allocate track or circles track plot regions. Here's how you can apply the code directly to your ficus matrix. Now ChatGPT have edit the script according to your data set or according to your data structure. Now copy, open R and give a line with hashtag so that you can differentiate between above and below script. Paste here and run it from start. First we need circlize package. Here is the plot without a label. Next is plot with labeling. Yes, no. You can check its label angle have been changed. You know if you have multiple variables easily readable. If you check in website, you can also check here. Here labels angles have been changed from vertical to horizontal or horizontal to vertical or in any you can change any text any angle. Okay. No please and until this step. Please type done if you have done this step. Yes, you can share your screen again and again, don't worry. Muzaffar, I have allowed you, please share your screen. Scroll up, please scroll up. Stop, stop. Scroll down, more, scroll down. Okay, stop now. Copy from, since we have many columns and rows, and move to downward. Move to downward, please. No, above, not include. Yes, readable label. Copy. Open ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and paste a message. Thanks. Thanks. No, I want to apply this. Okay, send this message. Write a message. I need all script. I need all code in single script. Please write a message. I need all code in single script. Copy. Here you also need to do some editing. Okay, open R, because you ChatGPT again gives you a sample data set. So you need to remove this sample data set because you have already this file in R with your original data. Okay, now run these lines one by one. Next, don't click, just click on run button again and again. Don't click, please click on run button. Again run, again. Yes, now you have a chord diagram with clockwise and angle also change. Okay, thank you. Now next step is again open this website. The next step is to save this plot. Use the following command. No, if you check your plot, and for example, I have a plot like this. If I click on zoom button, it gives me a rough appearance like this. giving me a rough appearance. If I copy and save it in desktop or anywhere, it will give me a rough appearance. Export, save as image, directory, desktop, save. It will give me a rough appearance. Where is yes. If you zoom, apply zoom, it will give you a rough appearance, not a good quality, not a high quality. It gives you a rough appearance like this. Close. Now here is the script. To save this plot using the following command. Save the plot with high definitions. Sorry, high definition. Here is the resolution 500 dpi. You may increase from 5 to more. Okay. Now copy this code. Copy. Sorry, from copy from here. Open ChatGPT and say thanks. Thanks. Now apply this. You are very welcome. Here how to apply high definition save command to chord diagram plot you just created. So here is the complete script for plot uh, and how to save it. Copy, paste in R. You hashtag, paste here and run. Okay, after running all these codes, come on screen number 4, click on file button and search here. It will give you a ficus chord diagram. If you open this plot, no, click on zoom button. It will give you a good appearance, not a rough appearance, high quality appearance. If you zoom it more, you can check its pixels and text is in good quality, not in a rough texture. Okay, Muhammad Ashraful Amin, please share. And if other participants have done, type done. Yes, please, your image is visible. No, for this you need to run all diagram, all lines, but saving the plot in high definitions. Here ChatGPT gives you a address. Just give a name. Please come on line number 467. After JPEG, there is a comma A/R/21. You can check here. No, 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 please don't add, don't add. Remove all things which you have added. I think you have added comma. Also remove comma after JPG. Remove this one to chord diagram. Not complete, not complete, please. Till 21 and slash. Till 21 and slash. Yes. Don't remove inverted comma. Yes. No, run this line again. Again. Next line. Next. Next line. Okay, now you can check in screen number 4. Click on this button. Here is the chord diagram. If you click on zoom button, it will show you a good appearance, not rough appearance. You can also save this plot with 300 dpi, 100 dpi, 1000 dpi, or more than 1000 dpi's. Okay, now please all participant type done if you have done this step. I have done, so I am typing here done. Okay, please all participant let me know. Are you ready for next class or next or because I want to take 2 classes. Okay, it's too late. Ready. Okay, there is a. Okay, thank you. We will arrange this class on Sunday. Actually, I am again not available on this Sunday, so that's why. Okay, if you okay, I can understand. Don't worry. If you available at 4 p.m. PST on Sunday, then I can. Okay, no. Some participant yes or some no. Okay, there is a start time. Okay. Okay, and now do practice on this, then I will let you in group soon. Okay, we go in Bangladesh, but some participants are from China, and in China, time is about 12 p.m. Okay, thank you. Okay, please do on this practice. Otherwise, I will give you some assignments or tasks to complete on Sunday. Okay, at 3 p.m. If you are available at 3 p.m., I can arrange. Okay, okay. Don't worry. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.